Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Decibel Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Decibel Therapeutics is really exciting. They are a company looking to come up with products that are going to hopefully help patients that suffer from hearing loss and also drugs that can cause problems with hearing. So I'm really excited to talk about them today. Let's look at the leadership team. CEO Lawrence Reed, PhD. John Lee, Chief Development Officer. So fantastic leadership team. I've heard Lawrence Reed in a bunch of interviews. The guy has a lot of experience in biotechnology, pharmaceuticals. He used to be CEO of Third Rock Ventures. They did novel drug discovery there. Before that, he was CEO of Warp Drive, oncology, antibiotic drug discovery there, natural products. So one of the reasons I'm a big fan of this company and I wanted to talk to you about it is I first heard about them probably a few years ago when they were coming out with their DBO20 cisplatin. So basically, they're trying to inactivate cisplatin's major side effects. That's one of the drugs that I'm really excited about. So if you don't know, cisplatin is a chemotherapy drug that has some dose-limiting side effects. It's actually really common to be used with cancer patients. And one of the big serious adverse effects is ototoxicity, and can really be terrible because it can lead to permanent hearing loss in a lot of patients. So they're looking to develop a drug that can hopefully limit that, which would be really incredible. They also have other drugs in the pipeline. So let's look at the pipeline here. Here's the DBO20 cisplatin inactivation. That's pretty exciting in clinical trials. Okay. They also have this DBO20 gene therapy product. Okay. So this is supposed to hopefully restore hearing to individuals born with really awful hearing loss due to a mutation in the OTOF gene. So that's why they label it DBOTO. It is in partnership with, I think it's Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, but still clinical trials. They're past the research phase. They've already applied for initial drug discovery, and they're in clinical trials. So I'm really excited about that. They also have some other gene therapies for hair cell regeneration, which could be potentially great, hearing loss. Now, remember, these are only in research still, not in clinical trials. So let's look at the stock price. Stock symbol is Decibel Therapeutics, DBTX. DBTX is a stock symbol. Time of the video, they're trading at about $4.11. I really think there's a lot of potential here because not many companies are going after this market. They also recently in October got a new drug application for phase 1, phase 2 trial for pediatric patients with that DBO20. So I definitely think this is their lead product that potentially, when I see companies that have the same drug going on for multiple indications, that's a positive sign. Okay, they've done the research, they've done the work that shows that, hey, you're not going to go off for multiple indications if you don't think the drug is going to be safe and effective. Now, yes, there is a risk that it doesn't get past phase 1, doesn't get past phase 2, doesn't get past phase 3. But each one of those studies cost money. Okay, these are expensive studies to complete. You're not going to go through that if you don't think there's a potential for it to get through. So I think there's tremendous opportunity with this company. They got a really good pipeline, a lot of potential therapies. So I'm going to continue to monitor this company. That's all the time we have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. It helps my channel grow, and I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.